Hello to everyone, I'm Vanesa and today I'm going to present to you a brief progress about this project. There are two important concepts to understand, however, those merge with um, light behavior as wave. So the first concept is redshift, and I'm going to use some analogies to explain it. If we have in mind what light as wave, we can say that the sound of the ambulance has the same behavior. So you probably notice if the ambulance is coming or is going by the change of the sound. And redshift is almost the same. It's the shift of light waves traveling away to the Earth from the space, and it's used for astronomers to measure the distances of any object far away in the universe. And spectrum, in the easy way to explain, is with the rainbow, because as we know, it reflects light's dispersion, so one of the most important characteristics in light can be defined by its wavelength and frequency. It becomes like a footprint, so each object in the universe has a footprint, and the big idea is try to track them. And here we have the methodology that we use. So this diagram represents application step by step to implementation of ResNet, GoogleNet, and Inception models. So we create a data set of 800 common images, such cats, dogs, cars, barrels, and any of the other type of common objects. And we use it as input to test these three models. Also, we use a validation split, taking 80% of a data set for training and the full 20% for validation. Then we standardize the data to a range of 0 to 1 with our scanning layer. And each model has three convolutional blocks with a maximum group layer in each of these blocks. Additionally, it has a fully connected ReLU action function with 128 units. The testing for each model was done with 10, 15, and 20 epochs. And also, in this slide, at left side, we have table with the main hyperparameters used with results obtained with a 15 epochs test. Here we have the progress. So as I explained before, we have results of first sample which corresponding to the local data set with 800 of common images. And start in the diagram indicates that the next stage of this project is applied these models to quasar spectrum. And as we can see in this slide, the model with the best performance about the results was GoogleNet with 7% of accuracy difference against ResNet 50. Having in mind that Inception V3 model in this case is independent of the GoogleNet model. So out of the conclusions, we have these conclusions, and I want to emphasize in the last conclusion, because it will be happening, the plot will be the validation data set being unrepresentative of the total data. And finally, this project has been supported by Universidad Exi with the computer resources and unconditional support by Dr. Luz Angela Garcia. So thank you all of you for your attention and have a nice day.